He was a loving and caring person. He was the breadwinner in our family.
Olusapho lusaxhelekile sisiganeko sokusweleka konyana walo ezandleni zamajoni. Kutyholwa ngelithi uEunicest Dilebo kunye nebethanana naye bebehleli kule moto ngethuba beqoqodiswa ngamajoni. Ingxelo zithi uDilebo udutyulwe izihlandlo ezithathu ngethuba bezama ukubaleka.
We thought maybe they were going to come and say something and then open a case. Even now we don't even have a case right now. We don't even know what happened, what actually happened to him and what has gotten to a point that they could shoot him.
Obethanana naye nokhuleleyo uthi naye uye wabethwa ngamajoni kodwa ukwazile ukubaleka. Kunje uthi noloyiko lokuba umntwana wakhe wonzakele kwezi siganeko.
They say open the soldiers. Then they pull on the driver's side. The driver's side was locked and then they pull on my side. I was sitting on the back. Then I fell down. When I fell down, the soldier started to kick me. Then I ran. When I ran, then he followed me. When he followed me, then I go there to that house there. That's where I go and fell. And when I was falling there, I hear the sound, pa, pa, pa.
Ingxelo zithi amajoni afike namapolisa esabela kwisiganeko sabahlali abebethathela umthetho ezandleni zabo kule ngingqi.
One of the SANDF members was allegedly stabbed in the hand with a screwdriver. A second community member allegedly emerged from a vehicle with a firearm in his hand, which resulted in a shooting.
Uzothi kangoku uDilebo ngumuntu we-12 oswelekele ezandleni zamajoni susela oko kwaqala inkqubo yokumiswa ngxi kwentshukumo kweli.